Happy Monday, besties. Good morning. Currently about to get ready to get in a workout. I woke up this morning and I was doing a little bit of Monday reset because I didn't get to do that yesterday. I went purchased this new table. I'm so in love with it, you guys. It's so pretty. My husband found that table on Facebook Market. Was like, let's go get it. He's been wanting a round table for the house. Like, it's just like better and more spacious. It just opens up the space. Look at Zoe, she looks so cute. She's outside.
Waiting for me, like, where you at, boo?
So we were out most of the day, so I wasn't able to do a little Sunday reset. This morning, I'm washing the sheets, doing laundry, and I want to get in a workout.
Pero estaba con un frío afuera, girl.
Oh, let me close this. It was so cold. Really, now I've been waiting for the sun to come out to like warm up. I've been taking this creatine. This will be my second time taking it from Vitamin Shop. They were kind enough to send it over to me. It's a creatine specifically made for women, and it helps with muscle strength, recovery, and reduces bloating. So I was really interested in taking it because I've been wanting to take creatine just to see if it really helps with building the booty. So afraid from all the negative that I hear about it, like,
oh, you gotta drink a ton of water, it makes you bloat hella bad.
But this one specifically reduces bloating, so it also helps with like water retention and everything. So I've been mixing it with my BCAAs that I've been trying to take more often. The Extend Strawberry Kiwi. I'm not crazy about it, but putting a whole lime help with burning fat and just to make it taste better. Honestly, it has no flavor, so you can really put it into anything. I also put in a scoop of my Oxy Shred, but honestly my Oxy Shred looks so bad that I think I'm gonna have to throw it away. It's crazy because I haven't had it that long. Oxy Shred energy drinks are my favorite, but I also have like the non-stem. Just wanted to bring you guys along for the day for a little bit and like what I'm planning, what I'm doing, new ways that I'm planning that I feel like have really been helping me. I feel like I would always struggle to like stick to a planner. Sometimes like I love planning my day from like hour per hour. I feel like that's what's most benefit for me, but sometimes like I fall off. I don't plan my weekends. I don't plan like for a few days, and then I come back and like low-key knowing that my calendar wasn't being in full use would give me anxiety. 20 days with nothing filled out, and then I'll start filling it out again. It almost made me feel bad. I found this YouTuber. I'll post her video here and like I'll link her here, and she was saying how she plans her day. It's just like with an open notebook, breaks her day down through like quick ticks, things that take under 5 minutes and under to do, then task for the day, like things that you want to get done, and those things are 30 minutes and under, and then projects are anything that you have that you want to do in that week that you know are going to require more time, but you just haven't exactly where you want to fit it into your schedule for the week. She also adds in like 3 non-negotiable, 3 things that you want to do that day that it's non-negotiable, it has to get done. I'm getting like a cute little cow print notebook journal, and I decided to turn it into my 2023 planner. I have my little goals for the year here that I wrote down, non-negotiables, and then at the end of the day I look at what didn't get done, things that I want to do, and I fit it into the to-do list. Projects, non-negotiables, and then at the end of the day I look at what didn't get done, things that I want to do, and I fit it into the to-do list. Like me and you like planning your day, but you don't necessarily like having an actual planner, just get a journal and have fun with it. I feel like this is so fun and so much more like carefree that I really enjoy it. Ahead and made just like a hydration mix with the creatine, so I like to drink this before I work out. I still need to finish cleaning the kitchen from all this mess. I need to do dishes, get the clothes, get the sheets that I got, so let's go do that.
What was that?
Honestly, I don't clean my fridge every single time I go to the grocery store. I just don't. So I rather I clean mine
every once in a while.
so if you're one of those people, then you get it, and if you're not, then good for you. I try to, you know, keep up cleaning with what I can. So anyways, right now I'm just gonna scrub the fridge. I have soap and water. Some Casey time. You guys, my mom got me these gloves and I'm obsessed with them. I love them so much. So you guys, it's about to be 2 o'clock and I've been deep cleaning that fridge, but I'm finally done cleaning and I am ready to just put everything up and eat my meal prep. Thank God I meal prep. That way I don't have to like stop and make myself anything. Show you guys how the fridge turned out from being clean. We have all of our drinks here. All of our condiments. Coffees, juices, extra stuff that we have, bread, greens, eggs, bacon. We are back at Raw Sushi and we just finished having dinner with our friend and my friend Ellie and her hubby. It was so nice. This was our first time taking with us on a date, like a nice dinner, and he did so good. My baby was such a good boy. He was such a good boy. He did so well, you guys. I brought stuff to like entertain him. We are about to take pictures. My favorite spot to take pics is in front of the Crate and Barrel store because it's so pretty. Right here on this strip. It always just looks so nice right here. Like, look at that vibe. After this, we're gonna go get cupcakes at my favorite spot called Crave. Their strawberry cupcakes are amazing. So, the fit. Let's
Okay, so one of these,
strawberry. And then vanilla, and she said that she the sprinkles. Oh, look.
Mama, look.
What is it, baby?
It's light.
Oh, lights. We're at the got home from a date night. It was so fun doing a double date with my friend Ellie and her husband Juan. We went out to Raw Sushi and it was so delicious. The sushi hit the spot and we went to Sprinkles after, and we picked up some cupcakes. I really want to taste a little bit of the strawberry. It also brought me over some crumble cookies. They look so delicious and I really want to try one.
Well, I already took a bite of it.
I'm gonna save the best one for last for tomorrow. I'm gonna save this one for tomorrow, but I just took a bite of the lemon. It was so good, so I want to take another bite with you guys because I liked it much. I love lemon so much. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Seriously, it's amazing. Buenos dias. Hey bestie, I am here just chilling, drinking my morning coffee. Happy Wednesday, you guys. Today is Wednesday, January the 4th, and I am on it. Just got done doing my workouts, had a bomb breakfast, and I'm already cleaning up the house. But I was like, wait, I'm gonna have some cafecito, a little cafecito break y a chismear con mis besties. Just got a package from Liquid IV. It's a PR package and I cannot wait to see what they sent. I love Liquid IV, you guys. Seriously, their hydration mix is so delicious. I love the passion fruit. That is our favorite flavor, like seriously. But they just came out with new flavors. Mocktail, so they have a cucumber mojito and a smoky mezcal paloma. Doesn't that sound bomb? First of all, the PR package, let me show it to you. It is so cute and beautiful. So you need to check that out. But let's make a mocktail. I'm thinking paloma sounds bomb because I personally love palomas so much. So I want to try making that. Let's make that right now. Say hi, Esther. We are going to Blue Sushi for lunch. Go on in, Miss Liam. Hello. Never tried edamame and it's my first time. Shit. Really good. Let's try this.